tie rods. That's done. We got brand new tie rods too, but we're just gonna get these things taken care of because we're gonna... Alright, so I put the new tie rod in. Just put it down about the same place I had the old one, and then we can put it back onto the mount here. Tighten down the casting nut, put the cotter pin in, and then I can go get an alignment. Okay. This one has a grease fitting, which I like, and we'll grease it out, so we shouldn't have a problem. But mainly the reason was that the old boots were bad on the old one. Okay. Okay.